Hi everyone at Facebook, including my friends at SABAH, including my friends at Open. Here's my board classroom. My main classroom, including my wings. And do not I that to fit on my ear buds but they are just too small for me, but I need a bigger pair of your buds because my waistline that bigger. Okay, for my first SABAH, if you including Open needs my board classroom, let me know. And I need a bigger pair yellow buds for me because yellow buds I have is too tiny for me to hear, and thus at the day of the show. Thank you.